All right, so on this live, we're going to be working on a 90% silver proof Washington quarter coin ring. And if you check, I've got a bunch of stuff on flash sale down here, 30% off, so go take a look. And if you have any questions while I work, feel free to put them in the chat. First thing we got to do is punch a hole in our coin. And I've got these state quarter coin rings available in all 50 states in copper and 90% silver. All right. Let's punch a hole in it. Beautiful. So our Washington quarter center punch. See how our coin's looking. And I'm curious, does it say like flash sale right here? Can you see that? I'm not sure what it looks like on your end. Let me know. The next step is to clean up that inside cut edge. So we're going to take our deburring tool and cut that nice and smooth. Thank you for the rose. That's very nice. But again, guys, check out the flash sale down here. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're enjoying the live, tap the screen, hit the follow button. Thanks for watching. Working on a 90% silver Washington quarter coin ring right now. Looking much better. Now I like to take some 4-0 steel wool and smooth it out just a little bit more. These silver quarters are like in perfect condition. They're uncirculated, they're proof, they're 90% silver, and each state has its own design to it. Really, really pretty. And they make great rings. So if you'd like to get one, $30 off right now. Check it out. Or $33 off, I think. Either way, 30% off. Best deal of the year. Very nice. So now we're going to take it over here and stretch it just a little bit. Thank you for tapping the screen, guys. Brad the dad coming through. I appreciate it. on the tail end of my paper towel. My roll's about dead. I gotta get some more. Looking good. Take it over here, make it a little smaller. Look at that. Ain't that the cutest? The next step is to remove this inside edge right here. It's a little lip. So we're going to cut that away. Almost got it. Perfect. Now we get that edge nicely cut away. I'll smooth it out a little bit with our 4-0 steel wool. And see how close to size 8 we actually are. A little small. stretch it out a bit. Goes to 7.5. Seven and a quarter. That's about almost 8.5, and we'll reduce this side down so it looks a little better. Sizing up is a little bit of back and forth. Right at size 8. Perfect. Guys, again, check out the flash sale. Got quite a few coin rings down here. 1/3 off, or 30% off. Check them out. If you have any questions, let me know. Gorgeous. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.